All right, we're at Walt Disney Concert Hall today, folks. Working on some flushometers and a couple of leaky toilets. Right. There she is. Right here. So the issue that we're having is every time you flush this, leaking from the back. It's not doing it right now, but it was. See all the water. Easy. Alright. That's it. So now we need the Knipex.
Thanks.
So you need the smooth jaw pliers, like so. Ooh. So you don't mess up the chrome.
That is smooth.
Okay, so we got the sucker off. They had a neoprene gasket. Like it, doesn't it? Is that ABS? That's ABS, bro. Okay. Just gonna scrape all this off, and that'll be it. Okay. So we have this. You can see the.
Oh, these are aluminum.
Are they?
Yeah.
These are probably the same.
They're so light.
You just gotta fit it around there. And then this line, yeah, that's how it goes, like that. All right, well, this is how you're supposed to do it. I don't care what anybody says. You put it on there first. That's how it goes, man. How else are you gonna do it? And that's what the instructions say.
Just drying off the area.
Oh boy.
Before we put the sealant on the neoprene gasket.
I don't want to hear anybody arguing. It goes on the gasket here, and then you put some on the pipe, you put a little sealant there, and you put some on the pipe, and then it sets fast. That's what prevents it from leaking. All right, let's try that. All right.
Tell them they're beautiful and like kind of flirt with them.
That's not a bad idea. So Dusty and I are coming up with a business plan.
Don't you dare
We're not going to
make
tell
this public,
anybody.
yeah.
We're not telling anybody, but it's actually a pretty good business plan. I'm not going to lie. Okay, let's test it out. All right, we got it on, and it's being tested. No leaks, but I think there's something wrong with the diaphragm because. That's just way too long. And any leaks?
No.
And the water is basically, I mean, that's almost off.
Do you need...
See, the diaphragm just stays open way too long.
I think, do you need more water? Turn it all the way up.
Okay, that's all the way open. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's spraying out of my face. No, that's way too much.
Yeah. It's shorter though. I think it just lets a certain amount of water in.
I don't know. That seemed like the same length to me.
That was totally shorter.
Was it?
Yeah.
All right.
But it's spraying like crazy.
That was like a bidet plus a turd flusher.
Perfect. Yeah, there's still no leaking down here.
That's good. Yeah. Okay, it's all the way open. I don't think that was shorter, bro.
That was long as.
That's way too much water. I'm gonna close this probably. All right, no leaks. It was leaking right here, but might just tell them we need to. I mean, this thing is hacked, dude. You can hear it. No leaks. And then, okay. We'll caulk the outside. That'll be it.
You wrote music for your parents, a lot of cartoons. Nickelodeon was his heyday. Cool.
So we got a 4.5 gallon. I have all these in the truck. That's for the older ones.
Yeah, he's pretty
3.5.
awesome. He's got a lot of stuff.
1.6. It's a 1.6er. So you turn the water off. Well, my dad's a composer too. Is he really a composer?
Dude, yeah, he wrote the music for Fairly Odd Parents.
For what?
Fairly Odd Parents? The Fairly Odd Parents? Johnny Bravo, Cow and Chicken?
Really?
Yeah. Did you watch those shows?
I knew about him.
Danny Phantom?
I think so.
Grim Adventures of Bill and Mandy?
That doesn't ring a bell. How the heck?
Cow and Chicken would have been.
Cow and
Our
Chicken.
generation.
Yeah, I remember that.
And Johnny Bravo.
I remember those for sure.
Yeah.
They were on Cartoon Network, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Boy, this one's really stubborn, dude.
He's whining.
Listen to it. He's dying, dude.
Sounds like a
He's like, I'm
little
dead.
puppy needs attention.
I'm dead. Whoa. These are crust buckets, dude. Dang. All right. Brand new flushometer.
Flushometer.
Brand new. Okay. So there's the old crusty one.
Gorgeous.
They're a little different though, aren't they?
Much like myself.
Much like myself. Everybody's gonna be saying, you should grease that. You should grease it.
Throw some dope on there.
These just, there ain't no amount of grease that's gonna save these, I'll tell you that. These are crusty. Now, this is the tool.
Yep.
For these. This is a fantastic tool. It's better than Nip-X for this particular application. All right.
God, that's a long flush.
There's something wrong.
Wasn't too bad.
That's normal. That's normal. That's a normal flush. He came up with this idea. I'd like to take credit, but this gets really annoying when you're trying to work, walking in and out. Little hammer, the rag, perfect. Works perfect, dude.